Fortis Webflow is a web-based workflow tool that allows you to access your document workflow from anywhere in the world. Webflow has an intuitive interface that is both easy to use and learn. Any authorized user can create a process using a simple step-by-step approach. Workflow processes can be initiated by a user or set to run automatically. In this example, an accounting department has created a basic invoice workflow. This workflow primarily involves two users. User John is responsible for approving invoices to be paid, while Lisa is responsible for paying invoices. The process starts when John receives an email from Fortis Webflow telling him that an invoice is available for his review. John simply clicks on a link in the email and logs into Webflow. The user is then presented with a list of workflows they are currently involved in. John would click on the step called New Invoices to view any pending invoices. An invoice query is displayed, and double-clicking Invoice will display the invoice. John will then be presented with an invoice in the center pane along with index data on the right that was set when the document was created. He is now free to review the document, make changes, and approve or deny the invoice by clicking on a button at the top. If John chooses to approve the document, the invoice status will be changed to approved, and an email will be sent to Lisa to inform her that an invoice is ready to be paid. If John denies the invoice status will be updated to denied and will be sent to user Dave for review. Once approved, control of the document is transferred to Lisa to pay the invoice. Lisa then logs into Webflow and follows the same procedure that John used to view invoices. Lisa has access to all fields, including the check account number field. The administrator has denied access to the check account number field for John because it can hold sensitive data. Fortis Webflow's document level security policies also can be set to control whether a document can be edited, printed, or copied at each step. The Paid button is clicked after the task is complete. The CFO is then notified of the progress via an email from Webflow, and the invoice is stored in Fortis for future retrieval. If Lisa is out of the office, she can delegate someone else in her department to be responsible for completing the process steps while she is away. In this case, Martha is her out-of-the-office delegate. When Lisa clicks out of the office, the work associated with this process will be automatically routed to Martha. Logging in as Martha shows the workflows and steps she is involved in, as well as the workflow step that Lisa was responsible for. The icon to the left of the step name indicates that it's an out-of-the-office workflow step that has been assigned to Martha's account. Martha received an email notifying her of the new step. As you can see, Fortis Webflow will make automating workflow easier than ever before. For more information on Fortis Webflow, send an email to info@westbrooktech.com or use the Contact Us link on our website at www.westbrooktech.com.